Hi guys, I am Luan Skaggs and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful Dollar Tree mirror, and if you guys would like to see how I created this, then come with me and let's get started. To get started, I found these self-adhesive tiles at the Dollar Tree, and I think that this would make a beautiful mirror. So I took them outside and I spray painted some silver and I spray painted some gold. Now we'll cut off the edges of the tile. Now the next thing we're trying to do is get some curves so that we could stick around the mirror. We're trying to get some C curves, so we'll follow some parts like this and try to get as much C's as we can out of one tile. So we'll cut along the pattern like this. We want to have all the pieces with curves, so we'll cut off the straight pieces and we'll use the parts that have the curves on them. And you could cut any way you want. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Once we cut out one C, we'll continue finding the C's and we'll keep cutting until we're finished with our tile. Now you could clean up all the rough edges. And we'll do this for all of the pieces, both the gold and the silver, and then we'll come back. I'm going to use this mirror that I also got at the Dollar Tree. What we're going to do is remove it from the frame. Now we'll arrange the pieces on two poster boards. All I had was electrical tape, but you could use any tape that you have to tape the poster boards together. We'll stick the mirror in the middle of our poster board, and to stick the mirror I'm using this double-sided tape that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm using the double-sided tape to stick both the mirror and all the pieces that we cut out. Once we stick our mirror, we'll start with the smaller pieces and arrange them around the mirror before we stick them with our double-sided tape. And before we stick our piece onto the poster board, we want to make sure and place it exactly where we want it first, and then place it onto the cardboard, because once it sticks, we'll have to redo our double-sided tape. So let's make sure that it's exactly where we want it to be first, and then stick it down. Now we'll do this for all the pieces and then we'll come back. We'll take the bigger pieces to create the second row. You could continue building it out as large as you want it to be. For this mirror, I'll do 3 rows because I think that this would look good with this size mirror design. If you need to, you could always cut the pieces according to the space that you need. It is so easy and customizable. Once I was finished gluing down the pieces, I found these silver and gold sequins, and I want to put that in some of the open areas. So I want to have the silver by the silver and the gold by the gold. And we don't want to cover up all of the areas. We just want some areas covered, and we want to leave some areas to have some holes so that it would give us some type of an interesting look. Now I decided to use this silicone that I got from the Dollar Tree, but this didn't work at all. So I would suggest using your glue gun with glue sticks and putting on these sequins. I am here by my sister doing these videos, so all the things that I'm using in these videos right now is things that I could have picked up at the Dollar Tree. So I don't have my glue gun or anything like that here, so I have to make whatever I have work. Now if you're using your glue gun, you could do one color and go straight to the other color. Once the sequence is dry, we could take an X-Acto knife and cut out the remaining spaces that we didn't cover up with glitter. Then we'll cut out the rest of the cardboard from around the mirror. The cardboard that we cut out from around the mirror, we'll save that because I created a beautiful project using the cardboard cutouts from around the mirror. Now once you cut out the spaces in the poster board, I decided I wanted to do one more thing. So I picked up these self-adhesive diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. I'll cut some string pieces and put them in between here just to have more bling. Now you could stop here if you don't need any more bling, but for me the more bling the better. I'll put the silver on the silver and the gold on the gold. These are so easy to do because they're self-adhesive, so all you have to do is cut them and put them on. I loved the piece before, but to me the diamond wrap just brings it to life and takes it to another level. Now we'll use the gold on the gold, and I think this just adds another element and make it look so interesting and cool. Now you could fill up the entire thing like this, or you could leave some plain. I think that would be interesting as well. But since I'm already through filling up nearly all the pieces, I'll continue filling up the rest of the pieces, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks hanging up on the wall. This is one of the most interesting and different mirrors I've ever done. I really like the way that it came out. I'm not sure that the camera is picking up all the shine and all the glitter, but it looks really nice in real. I would actually think about taking this design and making a really beautiful artwork, not even using the mirror, but just making a really nice gigantic artwork for a nice big wall. So I really love how this mirror turned out. And if you guys like this mirror and it's something that you'd like to try out, leave it in the comment section down below. I'd love to know your thoughts. So bye for now, stay safe and have a blessed and awesome day.